Yes, welcome back to our channel, Speed and Sound Motors Garage. Today we are going to do the unbox of our new motorcycle diagnostic tool. It is a Jdiag 100pro. So subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, let us get started. Now, this is our product. Let me remove the tape first. We can see it is let us remove this shock absorbing bag. You can see this is the M100pro, as the box indicates. This is the specification of the product inside. Let us go ahead and then open up the box and we'll see what is inside. This is the packing box, and it's so branded Jdiag. Now this is what we got here. We have this first adapter, powering cable for the motorcycle. We have this universal connectors. These are OBD2 sockets and this universal socket. We have the USB used for upgrading the software. And then here we are. This is the tool. It's made by Motoscan. And then we have the user's manual, which indicates each and every information that goes with the. Then we have this, I don't know what is it. It is I don't know, certificate conformity maybe, as it reads. So this is what we have here for today. Now this is what we got for today. Thank you for watching from where I started. Subscribe to the channel. Now I'm going to be making some videos while we are testing it, and I'll let you make sure I turn on the notifications in order to not to miss out any video. So I sign out.